Have you ever wondered why it sometimes feels like your own mind is sabotaging you? Why do you make decisions that deep down you know are not the best? Or why do you repeat behaviors that take you exactly where you don't want to be? The answer lies in what you don't know about yourself. A lack of self-knowledge not only limits your choices, but also turns you into a hostage to patterns that you don't even realize you have. Science shows us that the human brain operates to a large extent on autopilot. More than 90% of our daily thoughts and actions are guided by habits and beliefs that we develop throughout our lives. This means that, if you don't pay attention, you can spend your entire life reacting instead of acting. Now think with me. When was the last time you stopped to really reflect on what you feel, what you think, or why you act the way you do? I'm not talking about judging or criticizing yourself, but about looking within, with curiosity and courage. A study from Harvard University revealed that self-knowledge is directly linked to happiness and success. People who understand their emotions and thoughts are able to make better decisions, build healthier relationships, and even improve their mental health. But how can you develop self-awareness in practice? Neuroscience suggests simple tools, such as journaling, which is nothing more than writing about your thoughts and emotions. By doing this, you slow down your mind and begin to identify patterns that were previously hidden. Another powerful technique is self-observation. When you feel anger, anxiety, or sadness, ask yourself, where is this coming from? What exactly am I feeling right now? Don't try to solve or eliminate the feeling immediately. Just observe. This pause can be transformative. And here's a secret. Self-awareness is not about finding definitive answers. It's about asking the right questions. Questions like, what motivates me? What paralyzes me? Or, what values really matter to me? Ultimately, understanding who you really are not only transforms the way you see yourself, but also how you see the world. And that, in itself, can be the difference between living on autopilot or creating the life you've always wanted.